What's going on YouTube? Back at you for another video. Today I'm going to be working in the garage shop again, and the only logical next step for the garage shop is to add outlets. And that's just what I'm going to do here. Have all the parts ready to go. And I've never done this before, so I'm doing it under the supervision of a professional, an electrical contractor, who is my dad. And of course, you don't want to do this at home without any kind of prior training or licenses or supervision from a professional. So let's do it, shall we? So with all my parts, I have it all laid out. I'm going to be running two individual circuits, which will be real nice for any future dust collection for the miter saw. So got two wires fished through and then out to the other side in the breaker box right there. Now gonna hook it up to my breaker, and then we go ahead and make the runs, or vice versa. I'm not really too sure. I'll figure it out though.
Ryan Little.
Going to test the fan now, see if we have power. Works. All right, and that is it. Both circuits are complete and working, and I think that will perfectly set up setting up some dust collection for the shop, and also whatever other tools I decide to add on. So I'm really happy how that turned out. I'd like to thank my dad for supervising, making sure I didn't die from electrocution, and I'll see you on the next one.